want to resolve this, we have 50 to the power of 2 plus 51 to the power of 2 plus 52 plus 53 all to the power of 2 all over 122. So for us to resolve this, we have 50 to the power of 2 plus 51. We can split it to 50 plus 1 plus our 52 is 50 plus 2, and we have plus 50 plus 3 all to the power of 2. We have all over 122. So from here we have a common value here. So let our x be equal to 50. We have x to the power of 2 plus x plus 1 all to the power of 2. We have x plus 2 all to the power of 2. And we have x plus 3 all to the power of 2. All over 122. So from here, let's recall that our a plus b all squared is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2 times a times b. So starting with the first value here, we have x to the power of 2 plus our x plus 1 becomes x squared plus 1 squared plus 2 times x times 1 plus our x plus 2 becomes x squared plus 2 squared plus 2 times x times 2 plus our x plus 3 becomes x squared plus 3 squared plus 2 times x times 3. All this is over 122. So opening this bracket, we have x squared plus we have x squared here plus 1 to the power of 2 is 1 plus this will give us 2x plus we have x squared, we have 4 and we have 4x. We have x squared, we have 9 and we have 6x, and we have all over 122. So when we add up this, x squared plus x squared plus x squared plus x squared, so we have 4x to the power of 2 plus we have 2x plus 4x which is 6 plus 6x which is 12x. We have 1 plus 4 which is 5 plus 9 which is 14, and this is all over 122. So from here we have a common value. We can factor out 2 here to have 2x squared plus 6x plus 7 all over 122. So when this divide through, we'll have 2x squared plus 6x plus 7. We have 122 divided by 2 is 61. So from here, let's recall that our x is equal to 50. So when we impute this value for x, we have 2 times 50 all squared plus 6 times 50 plus 7 all over 61. Opening this up, we have 2. Our 50 to the power of 2 is 2500. We have plus 6 times 50, we have 300 plus 7 all over 61. So let's open up this bracket. We have 5000 plus we have 307 all over 61. So this gives us 5307 over 61, which we can split into 2 to have 61 plus 5246, which is equal to this all over 61. So we have 61 over 61 plus 5,246 over 61. So this implies 61 divided by 61, we have 1 plus 5246 all over 61. So we have 1 plus our 5246. We can split it into 2 to have 4,880 plus 366 all over 61. So we have 1 plus, when we split this into 2, we have 4,880 divided by 61 plus 366 divided by 61. So we have 1. Our 48 is the same as 61 times 80 all over 61. Plus, when we divide this here, we have 366 divided by 61. We have 6. So we have 1 plus this will cancel out this. We have 80 plus 6. And when we sum this up, we have 87. So that is our answer. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our solutions.